In this video, we'll solve that particular problem as you see in the screen, which appeared in the year 2020 section 8. And the marks is 1 mark. It's a MCQ type problem. Let's go ahead. So here we need to find out the value of k, so the linear system has no solution. So let's go ahead and solve it. So first we consider the two equation as x plus y is minus 4 and 2x plus ky equal to 3, which is known as equation number 1 and 2. So now it says we need to find out the value of k so that they doesn't have a solution. What is the meaning of they doesn't have a solution? That means that they are parallel to each other. Now see that to find out that value of k, we should not plot the line using the graph paper, coordinate geometry concept. We can't do that. So what should I do? We'll use a relation or a theorem or a property. It says that if we have two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 and a2 b2 c2, obviously xy is involved. So this is the general equation of a straight line. Now this two straight line will be parallel to each other if, or they doesn't have a solution if the ratios of a1 a2 b1 b2 are equal, but definitely they are not equal to c1 and c2 ratio. But if all the ratios are equal, then the two equation will be identical to each other, and hence we'll say that they have a infinitely many solution. Okay, that's it. Now here, to find out the value of k, our job is to compare with that a1x, b1y, c1 and find the ratio. Let's go ahead. So first we compare the equation 1 with a1x plus b1y and c1 equal to 0, which keeps a1 equal to 1, b1 equal to 1 and c1 obviously minus 4. And if we compare the equation number 2 with that a2, b2, c2 are the same equation, other form of the equation, then we get that a2 is definitely b2, b2 is k, and c2 will be minus 3. Why? Because see that in this equation we have to take down the coefficient or the constant term 3 in the right hand side of the equation, that is plus 3, right, will be in the left hand side, because then only we can compare. Okay, that's it. Now we get the a1, b1, b2 and all this ratio. So therefore they doesn't have a solution if this ratio, like a1 by a2, that is 1 by 2, must be equal to 1 by k and definitely not equal to minus 4 by 3. Now obviously see that here to solve this, find out the value of the constant k, we don't need to worry about the c1 by c2 ratio or 4 by 3 ratio. Why? Because it is obviously not equal to 1 by 2. So that's why if we consider the first two, we can easily go ahead. So by equating first and 2, we can find k is definitely equal to 2. And that's why for this particular problem, the correct option is option D. So if k is equal to 2, the system of equation or the linear system or these two straight line will have no solution. Sometimes they can give you that find the value of k so that given two lines are parallel. So in that case, we will go ahead and choose the same kind of technique. That's it. Hope you understood the problem.